Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a shoe that's been highly anticipated since it dropped back in the days, man. We're talking about the Kobe 6 Grinch. It dropped around the perfect time on Christmas Eve, so you know I had to get it and bring it to the channel and let you guys see it, man. I know we not at our usual location, but I had to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible. But before we do that, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And also follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. And don't forget about the merch, man. We got the merch on P4YT2016.com. I know y'all tired of me talking. Let's get to this shoe. Go Kobe 6 Grinch. Let's get straight into the shoe. As you guys can see, it has the little snake print going around here. This Kobe 6 had a lot of colorways with the snake print on it right here. Got the dark green, call it green apple right here. Got the lime green coming up the tongue right here in mesh. Got the lime green shoestrings. Got the Kobe symbol in red right here. Slide over to the side. Got the black swoosh right here with the, these are supposed to be like scales from like a mamba. You slide over here to the back, you got more of the green apple right here. You got the lime green zoom right here, zoom air. It's in a lot of Kobe shoes, which is really, really comfortable. Slide over to the back, got the Kobe logo here in red. Come over here to the other side. You got the Nike swoosh. Comes with another pair of shoestrings, red. You got more green apple going around the sole. Comes to the bottom. Got the lime green here on the bottom. You got the carbon fiber right here. Got the Kobe symbol in red. Green apple back of the sole. This shoe is crazy, man. I'm really, really happy that Nike decided to drop these again this year. I don't know if this shoe was in the plans of coming out before Kobe passed away. Hopefully they were. I know they were retroing a lot of Kobe's up until that point, man. But this shoe, I remember when this shoe came out back in the days, a lot of people wasn't feeling them. I forgot what year. He wore them on the court and they immediately sold out and went iconic. It was crazy how everything went down with this shoe, man. This shoe is a classic now, and a lot of people love the Kobe 6. Back then, I think my first Kobe that I bought, I wasn't really a Kobe sneaker fan back in the days. The first Kobe I bought was the Kobe 7, I believe. I think I got the Easter Kobe 7s, if I'm not mistaken, man. If you guys want to see that shoe, let me know. Leave in the comments below. I'll do a video on those. But yeah, man, I had to get this shoe today, man. On Christmas Eve, I had to make sure I get this shoe in my hand and bring it to you guys, man. The resale is going crazy on these, but I'm keeping these for the toe, man. As y'all know, anything I buy for the toe, I keep. I don't really let sneakers go that I buy for the toe. But these are clean, man. Let me know what y'all think about them, man. Leave it in the comments below. But y'all know what time it is. Time for me to rate this shoe. And I'm going to keep it all the way you bean, man. I'm gonna have to get these, man. 5 out of 5 pennies. Kobe classic. This shoe is a part of the legendary Kobe low top collection. Kobe was one of the first dudes wearing low top basketball sneakers, man. He pretty much started that wave, and a lot of people are doing it now. If you look around the NBA, a lot of people wear Kobe Bryant sneakers. One of the people that comes to mind anytime I think about a Kobe shoe is DeMar DeRozan. He always wears Kobe sneakers to play ball in. He got a bunch of different PEs, inline joints and everything like that, man. Y'all might want to look into that. But yeah, man. 5 out of 5 pennies, man. Perfect shoe, man. Perfect shoe for the summertime. I'm not gonna pull these out no time soon, but they will get worn this year. As you guys can see, I made a shirt to go with it. This shirt will be on the website next year, man. I'm dropping a bunch of new stuff on the website, man, next year. But clean, man. This is crazy, man. I know they sold out everywhere. Crazy, man. With that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.